Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Today, I am going to be showing you a realistic cleaning video slash room makeover. I am getting my master bedroom all set up. I bought a few things from Homegoods and I'm just wanting it to feel more relaxing and inviting in there. To be honest, our lives have been so busy for the past few months, so it's just been a disaster. I know so many people are gonna judge me, but it's just my real life and I wanna be as honest as possible. So when I show you these clips, just please be nice in the comments. But I know it is quite a disaster, but those are my favorite types of cleaning videos because it really does bring the whole transformation together from showing the before and after. I hope you can appreciate it and maybe get some inspiration from some different decor I purchased. I went to Hobby Lobby, HomeGoods, Amazon, so I'm excited to bring you guys along. So let's get started.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Alright, I'm going to take you guys down and show you what I'm working with. When we moved in a few months ago, we had some boxes that got left up here, and so I have to go through those. But this is what I'm working with. Kenzie loves to bring her toys in here and play. She's actually sick in bed. Hi, Kenzie. She's not feeling good today, so she's been having quite the morning of just throwing up and not doing her best. But she is a champ. She's so strong. And she's gonna have a quick recovery, right, Kenzie? But anyways, so as you can see, it is so bad. Like, honestly, this is embarrassing, but you know, I promised myself when I started my channel that I would be honest and real and show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and this is the ugly. So we are gonna do a full transformation. I'm going to be putting some curtains up, hanging some pictures against the bed area. I have some new pillows, some new fun things for the nightstand. I will be moving this guy out and putting it in our closet. Obviously there's just so much cleaning to do, lots of laundry. I have boxes over here, crumble cookies because our 30-day cleanse was up and we treated ourselves. So that was really fun. And yeah, so here is just an overview of everything. It is a really great size room, so there is a lot of space to work with. I still want to get a full-length mirror. I maybe want to move the dresser back over by my bed and make this like a seating area, but I have not decided yet. So it's going to be a work in progress. So let's get started.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that
Well, friends, I showed you my most vulnerable place, and I hope you enjoyed seeing that cleaning transformation. It was quite a lot of work, as you could tell, but so worth it, and I'm never letting it get like that again. I threw our sheets and bedding into the wash while we worked on everything else, and I always use the Downy scent beads because when they come out of the dryer, they smell incredible, and that first time you get into the bed is magical. But I did enlist my husband, James, and he put up the curtain rod.
Don't mind my hair, don't mind the look, the beard, the goodness.
Get your good side.
Get your good side, yeah. Do that, and just place it in, you spin it. You just spin it again, keep spinning it, so you get a nice firm fit.
You're so talented. Do you guys have a honey to-do list? Because I swear mine keeps getting longer and longer each day, but I'm just glad that this task for him didn't take too much whining and complaining. We did it together, so it was pretty fun. I got the picture frames that I put over my bed from Hobby Lobby. I think it gave a really nice calming effect to the room. Another important thing for me is scent. I just love walking into a room and it smelling fresh. I use the Febreze plug-in, specifically in the bamboo scent. I love it so much. And then of course the Mrs. Meyer's peony spray to wipe up any messes. Another super easy tip is to change out the hardware in your furniture because it gives it a fresh look and it makes it look more expensive. We got these knobs from Lowe's, and the IKEA dressers are super inexpensive, and I believe they are less than $100. I'm gonna do a little haul and show you everything I picked up for this room. I got a candle because I need mood lighting, and this really pretty pillow is from At Home. I believe that was $24.99. And then I hopped over to Homegoods to see what they had. They always have such amazing finds. I got this really pretty candle holder for $16.99 and this unique wood one, which I can't burn because it will ruin it, so I'm just gonna leave that on James's bedside. If you follow me over on TikTok, you've probably seen the aesthetic for my bedroom already, but I want it to feel very spa-like. I want to walk in and it feel calming and inviting, so I'm using a lot of neutral and sage green colors in this space. And then everything for the rest of this haul is from Homegoods. I will talk more about it at the end when I show the transformation.
Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you. And you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you.
So here's the final transformation. We are so happy with how it turned out. It's the exact vibe we were going for. The rug is from a company called Well Woven. I love how easy this is to clean, and the detail and tassels on it are so cute, and I will leave it linked in the description if you're curious about it. And then moving on, the dresser is an old dresser from IKEA. I want to get a new one to match our dresser someday, but it works for now, and it holds our TV and miscellaneous items like candles, essential oils, this really beautiful pot from Anthropology. The blanket is from Homegoods, and most of our bedding and duvet is from Amazon, so I will link that. And then, like I mentioned, the artwork is from Hobby Lobby. Don't forget to get it on that 50% off sale. And then I didn't mention, but the two neutral colored pillows are from the Castle Luna line at Target, and I can't recommend them enough. They are so fluffy and soft. We love them. I got this beaded lantern from Homegoods. I couldn't pass it up. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I think it's beautiful. And then on James's nightstand, it's pretty simple. We did frame our vows, so his original vows are in that frame, which is really sweet. And then I put the driftwood candle on his side because I thought it was manly and really cool. And then over on my bedside table, I have the candle from Casa Luna at Target in the Serenity scent. And then I picked up a really pretty crystal from Homegoods. Basically everything you see on this nightstand is from Homegoods except the candle. And then I did also print out my vows and put them in this pretty frame. And I love how it turned out. I think I covered everything, but if I did miss anything, leave me a comment. If you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. I really appreciate your guys' support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!